Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. 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 Love you like I, love you like I. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I do. Me. Never, 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 yeah, yeah, love you. Me. Never, 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 you like me. Never, 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 yeah, yeah, love you. Me. Never, 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 you like me. Never, 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 yeah, yeah, love you. Me. Never, 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 you like me. Never, 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 yeah, yeah, love you. Me. Never, never, confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder I try to do it, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up, the daddy he had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me. Things that got so bad between us, I don't see us ever being together ever again like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be. That's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up, this will all just be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, little lady. I told you that he's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree. This is somewhat of more from me, cause daddy couldn't buy 'em. I'll never forget that Christmas I set up the home not crying. Daddy felt like a bum, see daddy had a job. So bad it broke your mama's heart, and it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back on the Chalmers in a one-bedroom apartment. Then moved back on the other side of Emil in Novara. And that's when daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre, and for you and mama out to see me. But daddy had to work, you and mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on the TV, and mama didn't like it, and you and lady were too young to understand that papa wasn't Rolling Stone. Mama developed a habit, happened all too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you're grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Guess you're pretty much up, and daddy's still here. Lately I'm talking to you too, and daddy's still here. I like the sound of that, though we got a ring to it. Mama's only gone for the moment. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, little lady. I told you that he's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world, I'ma buy a diamond ring for you, I'ma sing for you. I'd do anything for you to say you smile.